My thinking almost killed me. Yes, it did. And I don't want it to kill you or your loved ones. Well, milk has protein. That's a fact. We all know that. That's why we give it to children. So if I had a glass of milk with my cookies, I'd have a balanced meal, right? Well, that's what I told myself. Lies like these and many other lies every single day. It sounded logical at the time, but those lies almost killed me. And I don't want you to do the same. Stay with us. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Susan Burr. And if you are a returning friend, you'll already know that I'm so thankful that you are here. In today's video, we're talking about the myths that we ourselves, yeah, me and you, we weaponize every single day without even knowing it. The half-truths that justify just about anything we want to do. But here's the big but. What if doing that ends up putting us in the emergency room for days? Well, we'll talk about my protein mix-up, the false balance, and how a glass of milk became my accomplice in a burglary of my own body. This is just a quick summary of my sugar nightmare. The experience in gruesome detail, unfortunately, is waiting for you down below. You can click the link if you want to know every little detail. But in case you are wondering if you could have any of these problems, you want to watch this video today because it will save you thousands of dollars in going from one doctor to the next. Sometimes sugar problems look like something else. Let me get into what this protein myth I had. In my case, I knew that protein was important. I wasn't that stupid. Stupid, but not that stupid. I added a glass of milk to my cookie dinner, okay? The protein checked out for me, check. I thought I balanced my diet, check. I thought I was smart, check. I repeated this logic for over a decade. Uh-oh. The milk was my alibi, okay? It let me feel responsible while being reckless with my health at the same time. So check, I thought, okay? There's no idea that milk can actually rescue a sugar flood, okay? And that's what I was doing. I was bombarding my system with sweets and sugar. So why did it all fall apart? This is a good one. Protein doesn't cancel out sugar, okay? Please do check out our other videos that we have on our channel that explain this point in great detail, okay? This video is not for... It didn't balance out my cookie dinner, okay? I was off, okay? My body needed real nutrition, not a milk chaser to a sugar main event. I hope that makes sense, right? So this was a totally false myth, okay? The biology just doesn't match my flawed logic at that time, okay? My pancreas was drowning in sugar. My blood sugar was a roller coaster ride, and I didn't even understand that, okay? And the milk was just a bystander, okay? The crash came anyway. It's like I said, it's all explained in the link down below in my sugar nightmare. I really thought I was doing something good, okay? So yeah. So if you think you might be taking too much sugar, please do download the free guide, 52 swap possibilities. Super easy things you can do today. You can check with your doctor. Totally, every little bit helps. All right. So anyway, the point is, a simple glass of milk is not going to balance out my sugar. Okay. That was totally flawed. Okay. Your body knows the truth. Okay. It knows when you're trying to beg, borrow, and steal. Okay. And I think we've all worked on borrowed time, right? We've all had moments where we're burning the candle at both ends. And isn't it that nutrition usually suffers? Why do we do this to ourselves, right? So if you know anyone who was stubborn like me, that did this wrong for 10 years before they ended up in the emergency room and almost died, please do watch the 1 hour and 15 minutes video below. It gets into all the details that could save your life or the life of a loved one. Okay? This sugar wrecked my body. It wreaked havoc in my marriage. It wreaked havoc in my finances. And I almost died. So I don't want that to happen to you or a loved one. All right, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this quick summary video today. I'm so glad to get value out of every single video. There is always something for you that you can take away right away. You can ask your doctor or nurse practitioner or whoever is on your medical team, and you can start with their approval implementing things right away. Okay? I am here as your empowerment educator, your empowerment cheerleader, to bring you all the free updated weekly information. We drop one video every week. I'm so sorry. I would love to do more than one video a week, so I need your support. Please do tap that subscribe button. If this information resonates with you, the like button. Show the computers that this information is important, so that I hope through your support I can eventually do even 3 videos a week. I would love to do that for you, but I do need your support to know. Please do drop me a line. I would like to know I am not the only one, is looking for answers. I started this channel because since the day I ended up in the hospital, I decided to be proactive in my personal health. And that was about 27 years ago at this point. And I love to do research. So everything I learn week by week, I pass all that research from the medical professionals, all of my viewers, so that you can live a healthy, well-balanced life. And again, if you are from America, USA, you're welcome from every country, but in America, we do not have private health care, and that makes a very big difference. So if you want to save money going from doctors to doctors like I did, and nobody knew what was going on, they didn't even know where to look. And that was quite terrifying, considering I was in a very good hospital in Rhode Island. So please do consider to subscribe to this channel. Everything you learn here can help you live a better life, as well as the sugar-free recipes, which are coming up. I do need your comments to know which sugar-free recipes are the most important to you. Okay, there's a zillion recipes I have in 27 years of cooking, so I need to know from my viewers what's important to you. Okay, my friends, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.